Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you how to download and install the latest version of the TPlayer application to your FireStick device. This is going to be a full guide video and I highly recommend you watch right up to the end of the video. And also, if you find this video helpful, please do us a favor, like, subscribe and share the video so that you will encourage us to be able to create more videos like this. That's it, let's get started. So as I just explained, this is going to be a full guide on how to download and install the TPlayer application to your FireStick. What I mean by this is that if you are looking for the latest version, if you're looking for an updated version of the app, then this guide is going to help you. And if yours is outdated or there is a new version of the application and you follow this guide, you are definitely going to end up getting the latest version of the application. So that's why I'll try my best to show every single step you need to follow in this video. Even if you're watching for the very first time, I believe by watching this video you won't be lost in any step. So there are a couple of applications we are going to need, and this is going to be longer, so do not worry, I'll show you everything. Now the very first thing you need to do is to make sure that your FireStick allows you to install applications from unknown sources. So to do that, you need to go back to your settings and turn that on. So here's the option, developer options. But if you don't have this turned on, return to about and click on the name of your FireStick over here. Type on it 5 times or 3 times. Do you see this pop-up below that says no need, you're already a developer? Once you see this pop-up, then the developer option has appeared. Return and go back to the developer option just below the about and click on it. What we're interested in is the second option over here, which is apps from unknown sources. This is the settings on our Fire TV that allows us to install applications from unknown sources. So you need to turn this option on. So make sure yours is turned on. Once it's turned on, then your Fire TV stick will be able to install applications from unknown sources. So once that is done, then let's return. The first application we are going to be installing is the download application, which is simple to install. Just click on the find and search button over here and come back to this segment. Click on D, you're going to get a suggestion for the download application just below, and then you go ahead and click the option. So here's the download application, and to download it is simple. Just click on it once until it loads and brings you to the download option. Click on it and wait for the application to download to your Fire TV stick. Now the reason why installing this is because we need downloader to install the Unlinked application. So that's why we're installing downloader. Once it's done downloading, it's simple. Just go ahead and launch it and then open it. This is how it should look like for your very first time. It is very simple and easy to use. So once you launch it, just click on allow over here. And here, this app, I use app a lot on Fire TV stick, and it's always the same way to install it, just how I have shown you so far. So there is no complication in getting a download application to your Fire Stick. Neither is there a new way, except by watching this video in the future, or maybe something happened. But if nothing happened, then this is still the same way you install downloader, and we're going to be using downloader to install the Unlinked application. We need the Unlinked application to install the updated or latest version of TPlayer. So anyway, just go ahead and click allow, OK over here, and bring it here. So the first thing we need to do is to type in a code to install the Unlinked application. So the code is 10381. So just go over here and type in 10381. And once you type in the code, I've used this code for a better part of 2 years, and it always works. So I believe this code is still going to continue to work for months and maybe years to come. So anyway, here's it. Just wait for the application to download. Do not do anything at this stage. Just watch and see how it's going to redirect and start downloading to your Fire TV stick. So just give a couple of seconds for it to redirect and start downloading. Once it's done downloading, we are going to install it to our Fire Stick. So I believe it should start downloading right now. So here's it. Start downloading, and this shouldn't take a while, but it all depends on your internet speed. Mine is not that fast, and that's why I keep asking you guys to like and subscribe so that I can get a better internet connection. But anyway, nonetheless, I would really love if you are watching this video as a subscriber, or if you've liked this video. It really helps us a lot to encourage the channel to grow. So please do us a favor, just drop a like. If you cannot subscribe, like, but you can subscribe, we will appreciate so much. So a subscribe helps us to grow and helps us create more videos. So that's why I keep asking for it. Anyway, so that's about the application. Once it's done downloading it, we're going to be asked to install to our Fire TV stick. Click on install by here and just wait for it to completely install. Once it's done install like this, click on done. Do not open immediately, please. Delete the file. As we all know that Fire TV doesn't have a lot of space, so let's delete all the files that we install. So once that is done, you can just then close the downloader app and return home. And what we're going to do, we're going to launch the Unlinked application that we just installed a couple of seconds ago. So go back to your app library. Here's mine over here. Where is it? Okay, yeah, here's it. Anyway, go back to your app library and here's the Unlinked application. Just go ahead and launch it. And this is how it's going to look like. So I just want to say there are lots of Unlinked libraries. If you go back to my YouTube channel, you're going to see a couple of them. But for this video, I'm going to be using just the FireStick library, which is the one I use so much on FireStick. So just come over here and type in FireStick. So there's no spacing at the end, please. It is one word, not two words. Neither is there spacing at the beginning. It's all one word. So once you click on it and it's alright, just go back and click next. And the library is just going to launch and bring us to this library by someone. I just want to give a disclaimer. I'm not the owner of this library. I'm just a creator. So anyway, once you're here, I'm blurring this so that I shouldn't have a problem with this video, but do not worry, I'll show you what we have to do. Anyway, go over to the option of media libraries or media apps. Here's the media players and here's the application we want. So just click on it once because we need to download it before we guide and install. So click on it once and then you're going to get a download button and you start downloading. And if you look at the top of my screen, you're going to see this app was updated on the 28th of January. So that's literally like 2 weeks ago from the point of making this video. So anytime there is a new version of this application, it is going to be updated in this library. And if you follow this step, even in 6 months from now, you are going to get the updated version of this app. So just go over here, click install, and then you'll be able to install the application to your Fire Stick. So anytime you're looking for an updated version 6 months from now, 2 years from now, 1 year from now, try this method and I'm sure you are going to get the application installed. So once it's done installing, just click done and then you can close the Unlinked app. If you return to your app library, you're going to see the application there. So here's my app library and there is our application. So this is a media player. This is not a streaming app, it's just a media player. So you have to go over here and it allow access to your device so that you'll be able to view the videos on your files. Anyway, that's how to install the application. And if you find it helpful, you find it useful, please make sure to like, subscribe and share so that we'll be able to create more videos like this. So anyway, if you have a worry, let me know in the comment section, and if this worked for you, let me also know in the comment section, and if you want me to create a video for you, let me know in the comment section.